Just wanted to show you a little tip rebuilding the front shocks on a 2006 Roketa Bali scooter. I've got one shock apart, and what was really tough was trying to figure out how to get this piece out from inside of here, because it's got this weird little star pattern on it, and I don't know of any bit that fits that. And you have to be able to keep this from spinning while it's down inside this tube. So I found a set of internal pipe wrenches, and the 3/8 one fits in here just perfect. And when you turn it this way or that way, it's got the cam action to lock in there. Then I was able to get my 8mm Allen wrench in here and break it loose and get it out of there. So I thought that'd be a tip worth sharing, because I just couldn't think of any other tool that would do the job for me. All right, cell phone off.